Do you struggle with dry or sensitive skin? Well, you're not alone. Here's how I make my favorite soothing roll-on in just 3 easy steps. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and today we're making the sensitive skin roll-on recipe. This easy and natural recipe is perfect for anyone looking to soothe dry or irritated skin. Creating this roll-on allows you to enjoy a convenient, chemical-free solution to keep your skin calm, hydrated, and healthy all day long. Plus, it smells amazing. Before we jump into this awesome recipe, let's talk about something we're obsessed with here at Simply Earth, making DIY natural products super easy and fun. When you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get all the key ingredients for this recipe delivered straight to your door. Oh, and did we mention the big bonus box? Yes, you get that too because we love spoiling you. Don't want to wait? You can also grab everything you need at simplyearth.com. Store-bought skin roll-ons are packed with harsh chemicals, yuck, synthetic fragrances, ew, and who knows what else your skin didn't ask for. But don't you worry, we've got you covered. With this DIY recipe, you can ditch the nasties and feel great about what you're rolling onto your skin. So turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make this sensitive skin roll-on together. From your box, you're going to need 1 drop clear skin essential oil. This helps reduce breakouts. 1 drop lavender 4042 essential oil. This is very calming to your skin. 10 ml amberglass roll-on bottle and 10 ml fractionated coconut oil. This will help moisturize. Remove the roller cap from the roll-on bottle. Add the essential oils. Fill the roll-on bottle the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Replace the roller cap, don't forget. And swirl to mix. To use, apply to dry or irritated skin to soothe. Don't forget to label. I love how this recipe leaves my skin feeling nourished and calm. You can make this too. Made this recipe? Take a picture and share it with #IMadeThis. Don't forget to tag from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and get featured on our page. So show off your creation, we can't wait to see it. Do you love easy natural DIY products? Join the Simply Earth recipe box family. Enjoyed this video? Stick around for more fun natural DIY recipes that are next on the screen. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching!